actually sitting in my 2017 Ford Focus RS, and hopefully you guys will be seeing quite a bit of this. I got the car probably about 3 months ago, and it's definitely worth every single penny that I'm still paying on. Before this, I had a 2012 Mitsubishi Evo. We finally decided to get married, so I traded it in so I could pay for our wedding. And she promised that after we got married, after we bought a house, after we got everything all settled, that I could go back to getting a new toy. But unfortunately, the Evo got discontinued last year or the year before. So I did some hunting and some searching, and I came across the Ford Focus RS. It's got a little bit more power right out of the box than the Evo did. It is all-wheel drive. It would be considered a hot hatch instead of a sedan like the Evo was. So a couple of months ago, I finally just pulled the trigger on it. Let me tell you, it's definitely worth it. The all-wheel drive system's actually pretty fun, and it's a little bit more complex than what like the Evo was, or really most all-wheel drive systems. The way it transfers power based on the different modes that you're in, which I also haven't really played a lot with. Right now we're actually in sport mode. A lot of the complaints about this car has been the suspension. It is a little rough, but I still don't feel like it was quite as stiff as the Evo was. Every time you hit a bump or a pothole in the Evo, it kind of felt like somebody was punching you in the kidneys. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick introduction video. Hopefully within the next couple of months we'll be able to start doing some slight modifications to the car. Maybe we'll see if we can take it either like at an autocross event or down a drag strip a couple of times. I haven't quite really decided how I want to build the car and what exactly it is that I want to do with the car, what my end goal is. But either way, I'm sure it's going to be one hell of an adventure, and I'm excited to bring everybody along.